The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already drawing serious attention, and even months before its official launch, fresh leaks continue to shape a clearer picture of what Samsung is preparing. With every new detail, the S26 Ultra is positioning itself as a refined flagship, focusing on both design choices and practical features that matter to users. Samsung insider IceUniverse has now shared live images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra's SIM tray. This leak confirms that the device supports dual physical SIM cards. However, availability may vary depending on region and carrier, as some markets continue to prioritize eSIM over physical SIM solutions. The appearance of 4 different SIM trays has also confirmed the primary color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. These include black, black shadow, white, white shadow, blue, Galactial Blue, and violet, ultraviolet. Among these, violet is expected to serve as the signature color for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This does not mean the other color options lack visual appeal. The hero color is typically the one Samsung highlights most heavily in its marketing and promotional materials. Meanwhile, the rumored orange colorway may be offered as an online exclusive option. According to IceUniverse, Samsung has largely finalized the design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Recent leaks, renders, and accessory information strongly suggest that Samsung is moving away from the old floating lens approach and bringing back a unified camera island. This immediately gives the device a more solid, premium, and intentional look. IceUniverse further points out that the camera island features a clean vertical alignment for the main camera lenses, while 2 smaller rings sit separately for additional sensors. The LED flash placement appears well balanced, which helps the back design look organized rather than cluttered. This design direction is further supported by information shared by Evan Blass. According to Evan Blass, Samsung has refined the camera bump not just visually but structurally as well. The camera island blends more smoothly into the back panel, reducing the harsh step-off seen on previous Ultra models and improving overall stability when the phone is placed on a flat surface. When it comes to materials, multiple reports highlighted by Sammy fans suggest that Samsung is ditching the thick plastic-style camera rings used before and returning to metal camera rings. This change alone makes the camera area look more premium and better aligned with the Ultra branding. Case leaks add even more weight to these claims. According to Thinborn Case Leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra cases clearly show precise cutouts for a raised camera island, individual sensors, and flash placement. Case manufacturers typically receive final dimensions early, so these details strongly indicate that this design is close to the final version. Accessory leaks also hint at something bigger. According to industry insiders referenced in accessory listings, the Galaxy S26 Ultra may support QI2 magnetic wireless charging, which explains why several leaked cases appear to be designed with MagSafe style magnetic alignment in mind. All of this together paints a clear picture. With confirmations coming from IceUniverse, Evan Blass, and multiple accessory manufacturers, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like a carefully refined flagship. Not a radical redesign, but a confident evolution focused on premium materials, cleaner camera integration, and better everyday usability. A few days ago, trusted Samsung tipster IceUniverse shared an important update based on Korean media reports. According to the tweet, Samsung has decided to keep the prices of the Galaxy S26 series unchanged. This means no price increase for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the same pricing strategy also applies to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8. In a market where flagship prices keep climbing every year, this decision alone is a strong signal. IceUniverse also revealed that Samsung is planning to unveil the Galaxy S26 series on February 25 in San Francisco, with official sales expected to begin in early March. What makes this even more interesting is that another highly reliable source, Evan Blass, backed this information shortly after. Evan Blass clearly stated that the February 25 launch date is 100% correct, leaving little room for doubt. When 2 of the most accurate Samsung tipsters align on the same details, it strongly suggests that Samsung's launch timeline and pricing strategy are already locked in. Beyond pricing and launch dates, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to bring noticeable improvements in charging performance. According to IceUniverse, the device can charge from 0% to 75% in just 30 minutes, using a 60-watt fast charger. This is a significant step forward compared to Samsung's previous Ultra phones. But among all the design changes and hardware rumors, one feature is quietly stealing the spotlight again: the S Pen. Multiple leaked images, dummy units, and early renders clearly show that the Galaxy S26 Ultra still includes the S Pen. Even more interesting, a circulating unboxing video, although widely believed to be fake, shows the S26 Ultra retail box with the S Pen printed on it. While that video itself cannot be trusted as official proof, it lines up with what we've already seen from other sources. So at this point, one thing feels almost confirmed: the S Pen is definitely staying with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The real question, however, is not whether the S Pen exists, but whether it will regain one very important feature: Bluetooth connectivity. This is where things get interesting, because Samsung made a controversial move with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the first time in years, Samsung removed Bluetooth connectivity from the built-in S Pen. That meant features like air actions, remote camera shutter control, and gesture-based shortcuts were completely gone, turning the S Pen into a more basic stylus rather than a smart accessory. That decision did not sit well with fans. Many longtime Ultra users felt disappointed, especially those who actively used Bluetooth features for productivity, presentations, and photography. Online discussions made it clear that people saw this as a downgrade rather than an upgrade, and some even questioned Samsung's direction with the Ultra lineup. The S Pen had always been one of Samsung's strongest differentiators, and removing Bluetooth felt like stripping away part of its identity. Now, looking at the situation around the Galaxy S26 Ultra, things appear to be shifting. Based on the current leaks, dummy units, and overall feedback Samsung received after the S25 Ultra, there is growing speculation that Bluetooth connectivity could return to the S Pen this year. Nothing is officially confirmed yet, but the way Samsung is positioning the S26 Ultra makes it feel like a redemption moment. Bringing Bluetooth back would instantly fix one of the biggest complaints from last year and restore confidence among S Pen fans. If Samsung does reintroduce Bluetooth support with the Galaxy S26 Ultra S Pen, it would be a smart move. It would show that the company listens to its users and understands what makes the Ultra series special. From the signs we're seeing so far, it honestly feels like Samsung might surprise everyone and finally makes pen fans happy again. Here we have the first hands-on unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, shared by leaker IceUniverse on X, that appears to show a retail box for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, followed by a look at the phone itself from the rear. There isn't a lot of new detail visible, as the device looks very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and closely matches what earlier leaks had suggested. This may be disappointing for some, since it implies Samsung is not making major changes to the overall design. That said, there is at least one noticeable difference compared to the previous model. 3 of the rear cameras now appear to sit within a raised camera module, instead of each lens protruding on its own. Aside from that, the phone is shown in a black or dark gray color. It clearly features 4 rear cameras, and the image printed on the box confirms that an S Pen stylus is included, which is expected. All of this aligns with earlier leaks, but the information should still be treated with caution. Although IceUniverse is generally considered a reliable source, they have stated that they do not know where the video originated. In replies to the post, several users, including leaker Max Jambor, have suggested that the footage could be fake. Even so, if this turns out to be a dummy unit, the design details shown are still likely close to the real product, since they are consistent with previous reports. Whether authentic or not, this video may give a fairly accurate idea of what the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will look like overall. A new rumor suggests Samsung may still bring 2 refinements that could improve the overall imaging experience. According to a post shared on Weibo, Samsung plans to use an upgraded lens coating designed to reduce lens flare. This change would mainly enhance image quality in bright environments where strong light sources often create visible flaring in photos. Lens coatings are already widely used in smartphone cameras to control this problem, which can also appear in low-light situations. The improved coating rumored for the Galaxy S26 Ultra's cameras is expected to better manage these flare-related issues. In addition, the report claims Samsung will introduce software-level processing tweaks aimed at reducing the yellow tint often seen in human skin tones, a recurring criticism of Samsung's image processing. The actual level of improvement, however, will only become clear after real-world testing. There are also indications that the launch schedule may shift this year. Samsung usually announces its new Galaxy S lineup in January and releases it by February. This time, the Galaxy S26 series is reportedly set to be unveiled in late February, with market availability expected sometime in March. Samsung is not only revising the camera ring design on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it may also be reconsidering its material choices. The Galaxy S25 Ultra previously featured the recognizable vinyl record-style camera rings with a ridged, textured finish around each sensor, which drew mixed reactions. According to a fresh leak from reliable Samsung tipster IceUniverse, who says he has seen the real device, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is dropping the vinyl-style camera rings in favor of a more refined and premium-looking design. For several generations, Samsung's Ultra models have been defined by their individual floating camera lenses. While this approach became a strong visual identity, the textured Saturn-style rings were often criticized for feeling less premium and somewhat plastic-like. On the Galaxy S26 Ultra, these textured concentric circles are reportedly being replaced with smooth, polished metal camera rings. This cleaner, minimalist look is already being compared to the metal rings used on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. In addition to the camera changes, IceUniverse also raised another important question in a recent tweet. He asked whether users would accept the Galaxy S26 Ultra removing the titanium middle frame, similar to Apple's approach, and switching back to an aluminum alloy frame instead. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.